If you're walking into a meeting that might end your job, this video is for you. From mindset shifts and real comeback stories to 5 actionable tips to handle the difficult conversation with your boss, you'll leave feeling empowered, not defeated, because this moment could be the beginning of your breakthrough. A good friend of mine here in Finland recently received an unexpected meeting invite, likely signaling a layoff. As an expat facing the daunting prospect of losing his main income source, his experience inspired this video. It's for him, and for anyone else standing at the edge of uncertainty. Being laid off isn't just a professional setback, it's an emotional earthquake. It's common to feel a mix of shock, anger, sadness, and even shame. According to experts, acknowledging these feelings is the first step too. And for many, the fear isn't just about themselves, it's about their loved ones. If you're the breadwinner, the pressure hits differently. You're not just facing the fear of job loss, you're confronting the terror of letting your family down. Rent, groceries, school fees, medical bills, it all feels like it's riding on your shoulders. It's okay to feel scared, you are carrying a lot. But let's also remember, you've carried this far not by luck, but by resilience, by sacrifice, and by showing up again and again. This isn't a defeat, it's a storm, and storms pass. Many, especially in roles like marketing, customer service, or even human resources, feel they're the first to go during tough times. This can lead to a false narrative. I'm not essential. But remember, your role's elimination doesn't equate to your value diminishing. It's a business decision, not a personal indictment. For expats, the challenges multiply. Navigating job loss in a foreign land, possibly without fluency in the local language, can intensify feelings of isolation. But it's also an opportunity to build resilience and adaptability. Consider this. What if this layoff is a redirection, not a rejection? Many have used such moments to pivot, upskill, or even start their own ventures. Reflect on your achievements, gather testimonials, and recognize the wealth of experience you bring to the table. You're not alone in this journey. Many renowned individuals faced similar setbacks. Steve Jobs was fired from Apple, the very company he co-founded. He later returned, leading it to unprecedented success. Walt Disney was told he lacked imagination and was fired from a newspaper. He went on to create a global entertainment empire. Oprah Winfrey was deemed unfit for television early in her career. She became one of the most influential media moguls. J.K. Rowling faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter became a worldwide phenomenon. Pharrell Williams was fired multiple times from McDonald's before achieving musical stardom. These stories remind us that a layoff isn't the end, it's a detour to something greater. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience. You are not behind. You are being rerouted to something greater. Hold on, your breakthrough could be just one meeting away. Now let's talk about the moment itself, the meeting. It might feel cold, awkward, or impersonal. But with the right mindset and strategy, it can be a stepping stone rather than a scar. Remember, no one wants to be laid off, but if it happens to thousands of people every day around the world, and you can choose to leave in a way that lets everyone remember your name, not with pity, but with quiet respect. 1. Mindset before the meeting. Pause to breathe, ground yourself. The goal isn't to argue, but to show calm, class, and clarity. Detach emotionally, but stay kind. Expect a decision, not a debate. Still, stay human. 2. What to say and ask, with heart and strategy. While I understand the company's position, I deeply appreciate any feedback on how I've contributed or where I can grow moving forward. I'm proud of the campaigns I led and the growth we saw this year, especially with limited resources. I hope that's been meaningful to the team too. If there are any future roles or freelance opportunities down the line, I'd be open to staying connected. 3. When to ask for a recommendation. Ask during the meeting if it feels warm. Would you feel comfortable writing a short testimonial or being a reference? Or send a kind follow-up email a day or two later, framed with gratitude. 4. See through their eyes too, the decision-maker's lens. Managers often feel guilt or stress when delivering layoff news. Some may have even advocated to keep you on. Acknowledge their position. I imagine this wasn't easy for you either. I appreciate the way you're handling it. 5. Heartfelt tips for a kind exit. Share a moment of gratitude for the team or lessons learned. Collect digital files or portfolio elements. Offer to help with a smooth transition. Last but not least, try to embrace a growth mindset. Remember, this is a chapter, not the entire story. Embrace a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities to learn and evolve. Your worth isn't defined by a job title or company name, but by your character, skills, and determination. To my friend in Finland, and to anyone facing similar challenges, this isn't the end. It's a new beginning. Hold on to hope, stay proactive, and know that your next opportunity may be just around the corner.
Yeah, but
If you or your